Right. So, as far as our Guidewire architecture learning is concerned, we are going to discuss about few elements, something like app event services, event-driven integration, microservices framework, all that. Because being in Guidewire architect role when we are working on, it's even important for us to understand about the integration gateway, because people who comes from the development background will have integration gateway idea understanding, but some who are not coming from that side, like maybe from the functional side as a business architect or someone, should understand about the integration gateway well. Next, at the same time, even microservices, delivery mechanisms, everything that we must be good with. So in regard to that, today the first one about app event services. Generally these are the ones which are centered to the Guidewire's ADA strategy, which majorly publish the core application events like claims or any kind of policy life changes uh, to any kind of downstream systems in real time, all that. Majorly, these services are building on Apache Kafka. This is to ensure high throughput of fault tolerances. At the same time, it also supports any event replay for any kind of testing, etc. All that. Second, about integration gateway. Integration gateway majorly acts as a bridge between insurance suite and as well as external systems. Majorly, it utilizes any Apache Camel to implement any enterprise integration patterns. At the same time, it also enable development team to create an integration application so that whatever the handling of event-driven communication can be done. Subsequently, it also allows for any flexibility, scalability, integrations, uh, so that we don't require any kind of tightly coupled systems, all that. Third, about event-driven integration part. When it comes to the application of these event services, as I stated, right? So it's more or less like a Apache Kafka built on this Apache Kafka only, so that which is ignorable. At the same time, microservices framework, we know, right? So because earlier, if you see, even monolithic services, everything are tightly coupled, but microservices, which is loosely coupled, where what are the components that we are developing will be developed individually. So that is where microservices frameworks comes into picture. Majorly utilizes the cloud native technologies like Kubernetes, Docker, and all. At the same time, what are the deliver mechanisms do we have? Generally, these deliver mechanisms supports two primary delivery mechanisms. One is on the webhooks and as well as integration gateway apps. Webhooks as a no-code UI allows any external systems to subscribe to the any events occurrences in insurance or application, like webhooks are being used. Integration gateway apps are majorly used for custom integration of applications, so that whatever the delivery that we want to perform or whatever the events we want to perform for any external systems using any kind of protocols by Apache Camel, we will be using. So these are the major elements from the Guidewire architecture point of view. One must be good with.